Hi, it's Faye and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I have some new ephemera organizers to share with you. I got this idea from Wendy at Wendy's Journal Adventure and have made some, and they were very popular, so I decided to make some more. One of the ladies who purchased one suggested that perhaps it would be nice to have a neutral background instead of a bright background so that the labels or the ephemera could add the color to the page. So I decided to do that. And for these journals, I have used cardstock that I printed up using digital kits from Brygida at Kleeback Creations. And she has an Etsy shop, and I will list the link below this video. Each of these is made from a Reader's Digest, vintage Reader's Digest book, dating anywhere from the early 60s up through the late 70s. They all measure the same, 7 5/8 by 5 3/8 with a 1-inch spine. And they all have, I've rebuilt the spines, and they all have a piece of vintage lace or a current type of trim on the edge. The interior's pockets are made from an acetate-like heavy-duty plastic. It's not acetate, but it's listed as being acetate-like. So let me go ahead and get started with this first one. This one is, as I said, I used Brygida's kits. And I don't know if I want to be sure I don't have glare on the page so you can see the pages. This one is called Antique Wallpaper, and it has some really nice neutrals. The pockets measure about 5 inches across. The lower pocket is 2 inches, the middle is 1 1/4, the top one is 1. And on the covers, the inside and back, front and back covers have a 2.5 inch pocket at the bottom and a 2-inch pocket at the top. So I'm just going to flip through so you can look at the pages. These are wonderful for labels or your fussy cut flowers or butterflies or birds or whatever it is that you're adding to your journals. And they would make a wonderful gift for someone who is a journal maker and you would like to treat them. As I said, these are beautiful, beautiful designs. And that's the first one, and this is not a vintage lace, this is a new lace. The second one is a blue cover, and it has a new lace on it. And this particular digital kit is called White Roses, and it has some beautiful background, and then it's got a little bit of writing on it. And there are different shades of cream. As it said, there are eight pages and 2 signatures with a total of 16 pages of pockets. That's the blue one. The green one has a current trim. This trim is probably about 20 years old. And this particular one has her ledger kit, which I think is gorgeous. It's got some coffee spots on it and just some really pretty different types of ledger paper. Some of it's has like a green cast to it. Some of it's a gray cast. There's some blue in it. Really pretty papers. That's the third one. And then the fourth and final one has her kit called Beautiful Moments. And this one I decided because I loved the background colors here. There's like some burgundy red and some really pretty greens. This one does have vintage lace, and I tried to have the pattern match the pattern on the cover. And these are some really gorgeous papers. They remind me of a kaleidoscope. Some of them are plainer than others. I tried to pick up that burgundy. I love the look of these. Yet they still have some neutral to them. So those are the journals. And as I said, they will be available in my Etsy shop at the when this video goes live. I hope you like what you see. And if you have any requests or comments, please leave that below. And as I said, I will leave a link to Brygida's shop. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a nice day.